Hi, I'm Brian. I am an electronics engineer and currently ngayon nag-work ako sa digital space. The story begins noong 2017 right after ko graduate, nag-take ako ng board exam and I got my license as an electronics engineer. That time, napapili ako. Sabi ko, Lord, if ever napapasa ako sa board exam, I wanted to teach. So, nagturo ako for 5 years. After that season of teaching, I was led na mag-jump na ng ibang career. From teaching, na-jump ako into automation, robotics, manufacturing. During those times, I really enjoy na lumalabas kami, pupunta kami ng site. Pero meron lang challenge when it comes to traveling because nagta-travel kami from our office, maximum of 3 hours bago kami makapunta dun sa site. Challenging siya kasi ang nangyayari is nag-accumulate siya yung time na nawawala sa akin. I talk to God, sabi ko, Lord, medyo may mapagagamitan pa ako ng time na yon. Then after more than a year, I decided na i-follow na talaga yung heart ko. Yung heart ko when it comes to the digital space, content creation, virtual assistant, vlogging, to do contents, to teach yung mga nasa online world. Ngayon, nabigyan ako ng chance to do that. I jumped from being site engineer, software developer, na-jump ako into full-time na sa virtual world. When I started doing this, talagang medyo nakakaba. Kasi sabi ko, Lord, pwede bang gano'n na yung career ko as an electronics engineer is hindi ko na siya ipapractice. Pero na-correct lang ako ni Lord kasi after jumping from my original career, then going to digital space, mas nagagawa ko yung mga gusto kong gawin. Mas marami akong student na nare-reach dun sa ginagawa kong mga electronics project and then yung mga side hustle ko when it comes to electronics. Yung time ko, na-take back ko na siya. Yung 2 hours, 3 hours, even 5 hours na travel, na wala na siya. I'm a full-time work from home. I'm just really grateful having this kind of career na sometimes hindi siya natural sa world because makikita na dapat you have this type of secure job. Pero having this type of job na you have clients from other countries, mas nakita ko yung opportunity sa digital space. Kapag binigyan ka ng desire ni Lord, talagang imimit ka niya kung nasan yung level ng faith mo. So if yung faith mo is hanggang dito lang, imimit ka ni Lord dun eh. And for me, I really believe na when we do vision boards, sobrang laki ng pwedeng mapakita sa ni Lord. Sobrang laki nung reach na pwede mong ma-reach na hindi ka lang pang local. You could be pang international. That's why I'm encouraging you guys na talk to God. Just like me, pinag-pray ko kung ano yung pwede kong gawin. Pinag-pray ko, syempre I talk to my parents, I talk to my friends. Merong agreement na nangyari. During those times, I felt yung peace na whenever I do this kind of job, sobrang sarap sa feeling because you know na approved to kay Lord. Hindi ito something na nawawalan ka ng oras, na talagang pagod na pagod ka pag uwi mo. Being in the virtual space, sobrang na-reach ko lang yung mga gusto kong gawin. And ngayon, yung matagal ko ng pinapark na idea ng content creation is nagagawa ko na ngayon. And I'm really loving it. I really want to thank the Lord because yung level ng vision na ibinigay niya sa akin is hindi lang hanggang sa level na kung ano yung nakikita ko before, na hanggang dito lang sa level na to. Pero nung ipinakita niya sa akin na you could reach more, you can do more. Sabi ko, sige Lord, let's go. And currently, yung job ko ngayon is more than doon sa nakita ko. It multiplied by 2 yung salary na nare-receive ko. And nagpapasalamat din ako kay Lord because yung time na na-take back ko, mas nagagamit ko siya para makapag-usap kami, makapag-read ng Bible, mas magkaroon ng personal development. I really want to encourage you na dream more, i-write niyo yung mga visions na binigay sa inyo ni Lord, create vision boards, talk to people na yung mga opportunities na nasa paligid natin, and explore. Hopefully, wag tayong malimit ng mga visions ng ibang tao para sa atin. Because yung vision ni Lord, sobrang laki. And I hope maging encouragement to sa inyo and makita nyo rin yung vision na binigay sa inyo ni Lord. Hi guys, I want to invite you here sa Wisdom Church of Manila. Meron kaming service every Sunday, online and on-site, and I hope maka-attend kayo because here, sobrang ganda ng mga pwede nyo matutunan. Lahat ng vision na sinasabi ko sa inyo is possible din na makita ninyo once you hear from the Lord. See you guys.